If you're visiting Vancouver or just curious how to use the Aqua Bus or False Creek Ferries to sail to Granville Island, you're on the right video here on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Granville Island is one of the top attractions to visit in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. To see the views of beautiful Vancouver and False Creek, to the enjoyments of Granville Island Public Market, seeing the fresh produce, to trying many different foods and treats. There's so much to see and do here. The two most popular ways to get here is either by car or taking an Aqua Bus or False Creek Ferry. But because they are two different companies, the tickets are not interchangeable. If you get a ticket for a return trip, then you need to take the same company. Both companies take Canadian debit cards and credit cards from all countries, as long as it's Visa or MasterCard. If you have neither, they also take Canadian money. This is also very important. Both the Aqua Bus and False Creek Ferry services are not linked to TransLink. TransLink is a public transit system of Vancouver that would include the bus, SkyTrain, and SeaBus. So you can't use a Compass card for this service. And for some tips, the vessels are pet friendly. A maximum of 12 people can hop aboard each vessel. The vessels make stops up and down False Creek approximately every 15 minutes or less. In fact, there are 9 dock locations. Service stops include Granville Island, Maritime Museum, Yaletown, the Vancouver Aquatic Centre, Spyglass Place, Plaza of Nations, and Science World Olympic Village. I have to admit, the trip is really cool. You get to enjoy the views of this community from the water, and it adds to the experience coming here. Once you land, you enjoy your time. When it's time to leave, you walk back to the dock, climb aboard, and sail back. Thank you for watching this video. If you're visiting Vancouver, I highly suggest checking out my videos, how to get a day pass, how to use the SkyTrain, how to use the SeaBus, and also check out for my upcoming videos of seeing what to do in downtown Vancouver and other videos. So subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.